Hello friends, this is Gayatri Sarun and hope all are doing fine. And we will start off the video with static banking awareness. So in this video, we will have a look about history of bank in India, which is a basic thing we need to know about a static banking awareness. Okay, so let's get started. And first of all, we want to know what's the definition for a bank and any organization which can able to accept the money from people and can able to lend the money on demand in the sense whenever the people need the money they can able to provide loan. That kind of organization is known as bank and the process is termed as banking. Okay, so we will have a brief overview about the years where the banking started and what and all the things established till 2019 or 20. Okay, though, so the first bank in India, Bank of Hindustan, was established in 1770, and which is the first bank introduced by the British government. And later on 1806, Bank of Calcutta was introduced, and which was renamed as Bank of Bengal in 1809. And we can see that Bank of Bombay was established in 1840 and Bank of Madras was established in 1843. These three banks, namely Bank of Bengal, Bank of Calcutta, and Bank of Madras, was called as a Presidency Bank. In the sense, how they will call no Presidency Bank of Madras, Presidency Bank of Calcutta, Presidency Bank of Bengal, like that they used to call. Okay, in the year from 1770 to 1862 what and all the banks are introduced, everything is a single stock bank. Single stock bank is nothing but when the bank is run by a single organization, it is termed as a single stock bank. Okay, after 1862, in the sense 1863 till today, the banks which and all introduced are a joint stock bank. Joint stock bank is nothing but if the bank is run by a multiple organization, multiple people or multiple organization, which is termed as a joint stock organization. Okay, in 1863, first time in India, first joint stock bank has been introduced, which was run by, as usual, multiple people, and the name bank name is termed as Bank of Upper India. Okay, in 1865, in continuation of Bank of Upper India, Allahabad Bank was introduced, which is the India's oldest joint stock bank. Okay, in 1894, Punjab National Bank has been introduced at Lahore, and which is the first bank run by a Indian merchandise. Previously, it was run by a British government and multiple people, and Punjab National Bank is the first bank which was run by the Indian merchandise. Okay, in 1911, Central Bank of India was introduced, which was the commercial bank run by the Indians. And you can see the difference between Punjab National Bank and Central Bank of India. Punjab National Bank is the first bank run by a Indian merchandise, and Central Bank of India is the first commercial bank run by the Indians. I'll tell you the difference between a commercial bank and a joint stock bank. Joint stock bank is nothing but the bank which was run by a multiple people, as already said. Commercial bank is nothing but which was introduced for the commercial purpose, like based on a profit purpose. Okay, which is nothing but first commercial bank is Central Bank of India. Okay, after 1911 we had a world war from 1913 to 1917. During the time of World War, 94 banks got failed, because of which there was a suggestion given to merge Bank of Madras, Bank of Bengal, and Bank of Bombay into a single bank. Okay, by the British government. So as a result of which, in 1921, Bank of Bengal, Bombay, and Madras together merged, and it was named as a Imperial Bank of India. Okay, before RBI got established, the RBI functioning like currency handling and currency printing, money control in the economy was handled by the Imperial Bank of India. Due to some of the flaws in Imperial Bank of India, in 1926, a person called Hilton Young has submitted a report to establish a central bank in a country. Based on his report, actually according to his report, the country should have a central bank, and it should not be used by the common people, and it should be the bankers bank, the bank which was used to govern the other banks, and which will create rules for the other banks. Like that, Hilton Young has submitted a report based on Hilton Young Committee in 1926. As a result of which, in 1934, RBI Act was established, based on which on 1st of April 1935, RBI was established as a private bank. In the beginning, RBI was established as a private bank only, with its headquarters in Calcutta. Okay, in 1937, RBI headquarters got shifted to Mumbai. After which, we heard about a demonetization recent years, before 3 to 4 years, and the first demonetization was done by RBI in the year of 1946, in which 1,000 and 10,000 rupees was banned. Okay, and in 1st of January 1949, RBI got nationalized. I'll just give you a glimpse about what is nationalization. Before, we heard that RBI was a private concern and private organization. When the organization is fully undertaken by Government of India, it is termed as a nationalized bank or nationalized organization, in which on 1st of January 1949, RBI got nationalized and the bank was under the control of Government of India. Okay, in 1949, Banking Regulation Act got introduced. First of all, I'll tell you one thing. In this video, we'll have a abbreviations, many bank names and many act names, and everything will be clearly explained in my future videos. I'll keep on creating a videos for full static banking awareness, in which all the abbreviations and acts will be covered. So no need to worry on the explanation part for this. For example, Banking Regulation Act. So no need to worry about what is Banking Regulation Act. Just we need to note down the years and the important things which was done on that particular year. So I'll explain the terms and schemes in later on videos. Okay, so while coming back to the presentation, in 1949, Banking Regulation Act was introduced. In 1952, a person called A.D. Gorwala, like Hilton Young, has recommended to change the Imperial Bank of India as a State Bank of India. As a result of which, on 1st of July 1955, Imperial Bank of India was renamed as State Bank of India. In 1959, subsidiary bank of SBI got established. In July 19th, 1969, 14 banks got nationalized with 50 crore authorized capital. I'll just explain you what is authorized capital. If consider I'm a bank, if I'm having 50 crore or 50 rupees with me, which is nothing but the authorized capital. There is one more term called paid up capital. If I'm having 100 rupees, out of which 50 rupees I have got from another person and 50 rupees I'm having in my pocket. Okay, so 50 plus 50, 100 rupees is a authorized capital, and 50 rupees which I bought from the other person is a paid up capital. Okay, so in July 19th, 1969, 14 banks got nationalized with a 50 crore, who and all having, which and all banks having 50 crore authorized capital got nationalized. Nationalized in the sense they come under Government of India, okay, fully controlled by Government of India. In 1975, regulation like a regional rural bank got established. Regional rural bank is nothing but a bank which was introduced for a rural area development, like agriculture, electricity, like that. Okay, they'll provide a loan for agriculture development, electricity development, their rural area development, like that. In continuation to that, in 1976, RRB Act got established. In 1978, DICGC got established, which is a subsidiary of RBI. Later on stages, we will have a detailed study about the subsidiaries of RBI. And as of now, just note it down that in 1978, DICGC got established. And one more thing that happened, second demonetization was done by RBI, in which 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees and 10,000 rupees got banned. Okay, in 1980, 6 banks got nationalized, and the banks which and all having 200 crore authorized capital got nationalized. Okay, in 1982 NABARD got established. NABARD is, before it was one of the subsidiary of RBI, but now it removed from RBI and it's working as a separate organization. Okay, in 1987 HSBC Bank introduced, which is the first foreign bank introduced in India, and which is the first bank to give a ATM service in India. Okay, in 1990 SIDBI established, which is nothing but a development bank. We will have a detailed study about in our future videos. In 1992 SEBI got established, and SEBI is nothing but the governing body for the money market, like uh, stock exchange is there, no, like in which SEBI is a governing body who can regulate this money market. Okay, in 1994 ICICI got established, and in 1998 Kisan Credit Card got established. Kisan Credit Card is nothing but a credit card which was provided to the farmers alone. Okay, and in 1999 IRDAI established, and in addition to this Basel norm 1 has been introduced. I'll explain you this terminologies in later videos, as already said. In 2002, SURFACE Act was established. SURFACE Act is nothing but if the based on this act only, if we bought any loan to the bank have the authority to stick a notice in front of your house if you are fail to pay your dues. Okay, based on this act only, banks having the rights to stick the notice in front of your home. In 2008, NPCI got established, and which is digital India promotion, like that, which helps in like RuPay card, GPay, BIM app, everything will it comes under NPCI only, and it's an umbrella organization. In 2012, RuPay card was established by NPCI, and in 2014, Jantan Yojana was established by PM. And we do have many schemes related to PM establishment. So I'll explain you. I'll take a separate video in future videos. Okay. In 2016, Small Finance Bank has been established, and as well as Payment Bank has been established. And third, demonetization was done by RBI. In 2017, one of the greater thing has been happened in banking history, which is nothing but SBI merger. SBI has been merged with its 5 associate bank along with Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Okay, so now the total count of public sector bank will come around 12 numbers. In 2019, Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank are merged with Bank of Baroda. After which, Canara Bank was merged with the Syndicate Bank. Like that, many mergers are there. We will see a separate video for that. Okay. So this is all about the history of evaluation of banking in India. So we will have a look about what are all the possible questions which can be asked from this video, or the questions which was asked in the previous year, on based on whose recommendation RBI was established. We already know that it's Hilton Young Committee, and RBI Act year is 1935. RBI nationalized year is 1949. On based on whose recommendation Imperial Bank of India has renamed as State Bank of India. So when was DICGC was established, and what is the year of first demonetization? Like that, we used to have the sort of questions from this video. I hope this video will help you to gain some knowledge about static banking awareness. In our next video, we will have a detailed study about Reserve Bank of India and the structure of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe if you find this video more useful. Thank you so much.